Hey everyone, I'm Anthoma, and in this today's video, I'm going to talk about getting impressions and getting a lot of views on your X platform. Well, X is one of the first social media platforms that a lot of people go to when they want fast-paced information. Today, I'm going to talk about how can you get impressions on the information that you put out there on your X platform, on your X account. Because now, recently, as of June 2026, Elon Musk changed the algorithm on how posts to appear on your timeline because people were complaining a lot. They were seeing a lot of new posts from accounts they don't follow, but accounts that are related to what they liked earlier. So previously, when you were liking a post, a lot of posts that are related to the post that you liked were being pumped into your feeds. So right now it has really changed, and Elon Musk is following, is checking up on is making sure that the people that you're following are the ones that appear most on the timeline, so that you engage more with them. And of course, people that have followed you, they know the reason as to why they followed you, and that's why Elon Musk changed this platform so that the algorithm pushes more of your content to the people that are following you, and it pushes a lot of content from people that you're following, so that you don't be so confused. And of course, you will realize that so many people have now started getting information, getting content, getting posts from account they followed some years back, and they were not getting their content. Of course, right now you can be able to see all the posts from those accounts that you followed some years back that were not being viewed on your timeline. Well, of course, to get views on X and impressions on X, you have to really engage. You have to be a good engager. You have to be a reply guy. Leave important replies on viral content. Your posts and your content is going to be much more exposed to a wider audience. As you can see, I've got a ton of followers from this kind of a strategy. As you can see, my X account as on the screen there, I've got so many impressions and views and followers from this kind of strategy. So just keep being a reply guy, reply on many posts, reply on viral posts as well. So please, thank you very much for watching this video. And of course, I hope to see you in another one. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Follow me on X at Anthoma and Instagram at Anthoma. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye.